are in Kochi right now, and this is the room which we are staying in. We are here for the biggest art festival which is happening in this Jan
Kochi Biennale.
It's Kochi Biennale, so we are here for Kochi Biennale. So I'll be updating everything on time. I might post videos on time if I get internet connection, like every day. We are staying here for 4 or 5 days, so I'll be posting one video every day if I get a proper internet connection. Yeah, see you guys there. We just went to Durbar Hall, right? Yeah, Durbar Hall. It was night. It was like a kind of museum with all art, paintings, and what all?
There were paintings, different rope sculptures,
rope sculptures, and
there were different bronze sculptures as well. And
exactly.